Can a government ultimately define what is a marriage? That's the question that is being decided this week. There will be two rulings coming out of the United States Supreme Court that seek to, if they go a certain direction, redefine exactly what marriage is in the United States by human law. One of them is impacting a law that is called DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, which was passed in 1996 by a bipartisan Congress that essentially defines marriage as a union between one man and one woman. That's what this title here is, of a hash mark that is used in social media that can be used to support this, of a union between one man and one woman. That ultimately is what marriage is. It is a union, a sacred covenant between one man and one woman. DOMA defines it. It's being sought to be overturned by those who are advocating same-sex marriage for all of the reasons culturally, legally, and financially that are a part of the entire debate that is going on. But at the bottom end of it is a desire to overturn the traditional view in the United States as well as other countries of what marriage is and open the floodgates for multiple changes in morality and the way people address themselves in this regard, especially in the area of marriage. Ultimately, the definition of marriage is what God says it is. And in the Bible, God says that marriage is a union between one man and one woman. There's no other definition biblically for that. That's what was at the beginning as God gave that to mankind. It's what the Apostle Paul reaffirmed in Ephesians 5 and verse 31 when he said that for this reason shall a man leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall be made one flesh. One man, one woman coming together to form a union, one flesh, which is a sacred covenant before God. That's the biblical definition of marriage. And Paul goes on to show that this is a great mystery, but I speak concerning Christ and the church. It's in Ephesians 5, verse 31 and 32. A profound statement that speaks to what marriage really is. A union between one man, one woman. That's the biblical definition. That's the only one that can really be. Don't be confused by the arguments. Make sure you're educated as to exactly what is taking place, but most importantly, make sure you understand what God's Word says about this vital subject. That's BT Daily. Join us next time.